this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Wi-Fi coverage settings and change them for your TP-Link RE190 using app called TP-Link Tether. So in order to do that, we'll need to go for our tools. From here, find Wi-Fi coverage. It should be at the bottom of the page. You don't even need to scroll down. So now click on it and you'll be able to change the setting from maximum coverage to intermediate coverage or minimum coverage. And after selecting one of them, you can press save, press OK. You have description of each setting, so you can customize it to your preferences. After pressing save, you will need to wait for a bit and you can see that the device restarted. And the setting is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.